It's an absolutely gorgeous day today, and here we are at the beginning of our summer semester. It's great to see our students here. I'll tell you, one of the neat things at the moment is that our enrollment is all in the green. It's been a long time since I've seen so much green. I know a lot of that's due to the really hard work that everybody's doing, from recruitment and marketing. The call center has been making, and Wayne Walker's staff, they've just been going great guns, making all kinds of calls and registering folks and getting hold of folks. And boy, you can see it making a difference. And I just saw a report that said we're up about 130 high school students in terms of applications, so that's really cool too. So it's a little too soon to, throw a parade, because we're still at the beginning of getting all these folks in. But things are certainly looking a whole lot better than they did last year at this time. We're standing in what is a new section of our business, our College of Business. These monitors here are actually on wheels, and I understand they're going to be available and used to display student work. If you're going to have a digital arts program, you can't show it by a regular flat screen picture. You're going to have to put it on digital media. So it's kind of cool. I think these were built specifically to meet our needs. So I'm anxious to see how it's all going to work as we put that together. Needless to say, there's a lot going on in facilities right now. I just had a chance to go through the transportation center, and the amount of space there is just unbelievable. Every time I thought I was at the end of the building, we had another section of the building to go through. So maybe we can do that at some point later this summer. I think they're supposed to start putting some of the equipment in there in the first part of July. And so anyways, it's just projects going on everywhere. Makes it kind of exciting as we move forward. I don't know what else not a whole lot else seems to be going on. We're still waiting for the budget to be passed. Last I heard, Joint Finance was hoping to have this thing all wrapped up by the middle of June. The information we have so far has been pretty much the same in terms of what they're planning to do, and that is they won't be freezing tuition. But unfortunately, they took the money away that the governor put in the budget, saying, well, since you're not freezing tuition, you don't need that money. And frankly, the money that the governor was going to give us was worth more than the tuition money. So caused us a bit of a problem, but that's the way that'll go. Boy, last night I watched this movie called Hacksaw Ridge. I don't know if you've seen Hacksaw Ridge, and it's about this true story based on this conscientious objector goes into the service. He won't touch a gun, and he engages in some really heroic work in terms of saving lives on Okinawa, and really graphic movie. And I'm watching all these people get shot and killed and maimed, and I'm thinking, how could anybody go through any of that and not be permanently affected by that? And it's no wonder that people that fought in the war, in World War II, never really wanted to talk about it, but I can't even imagine living through that. And, so sometimes when it looks like we've got issues and problems here, you look at what the sacrifices that people made in order for us to be able to experience the freedoms that we have here, and you just can't help but be blown away. So I don't know, graduations have happened now all across the state and high schools. I guess a couple more left to go in our area, and then I think, what is it going to be this Wednesday, I guess, or Thursday. We have our graduation of our GED, HSED graduates. So that'll be kind of the last one to wrap up that season as we move into the next season. Hope you're all having a great summer so far. I hear we're going to have our New Year's party and it's going to be on the 21st, and it's got a theme of camping, which means that we're all having a sleepover, we'll all be in tents, and it will rain. No, none of those things are going to happen, but we're having a camping theme. So hope to see you there. You know, I plan to stay a little bit and have some fun, for crying out loud. You know, I've never seen a group of people, you know, they eat and then they go back to work. You know, bunch of party poopers. So hope we have more, have fun.